thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a happy mail to open for you. This is a little break from my Christmas preparations, my Christmas wrapping, and I'm going to open a gift that was sent to me. This is from Paperventures. We did a Maggie Holmes themed swap. I sent a gift off to her, which she has opened, and she's posted the video on her channel. I also have posted a video on my channel of the package that I made up and sent to her. And this is what she sent to me. So I'm excited to open it up and see what's inside. She's a very talented paper crafter, so I'm excited to see what it is that she has in store for me. It almost feels a little wrong opening a box before Christmas, this close to Christmas. She's already decorated the outside of the box so beautifully. I don't mind you seeing my address. It's a post office box and it's publicized. So she's decorated everything up so cute so that it looked really pretty. And here's what it looks like on the inside as we open it up. So here is her letter to me. I'll read that. I'll take everything out. I'll take a picture. I'll read my letter, and then I'll come back and open everything up again. I sent her quite a few things from Indigo. I recognize this pouch. It is something that they sell there. I'm not sure if that's where this one is from in particular, but I love little pouches like this. This is so pretty. And it feels like there's pencils inside. Ah! Look at all the cuteness. Oh. So she's wrapped up. Well, I have to stop and just take everything out and let everything speak for itself as I go through things one by one. There's Swan. She's made a little box. Ever cute. This reminds me of being a kid, those lollipops. Ooh, chocolate ornaments. And here is what we swapped. Oh, there's more of these. I swear I had these when I was a kid. This seems like my childhood all over again. We actually swapped a loaded bag or a loaded envelope. And this is what she's created for me. So I'm going to go read my card, and I'm going to take a picture of everything all together, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I had a chance to look at my card. This is what the outside looks like. It's got all sorts of sparkle. It says sprinkle the love. Very sweet. I'll move away these sweets from the shot here. Let's look at some of the things that were outside of the loaded envelope first. Pomelo is peeking out outside of me here. So she's put some Maggie Holmes Flourish stickers and tickets and ephemera on the outside. And inside, hand and body cream. Let's see what this smells like. Nice. I was actually just thinking that I should carry a little bottle of hand cream in my purse. So thank you for that, Rachel. I will put this in my purse and think of you when I use it. And I think that there should be pencils inside of this beautiful little pouch. You can never have too many cases. Just beautiful. Nice little size as well. Very cute. Hello Weekend, appropriately themed for the Friday that I'm opening this up on. And, this little flamingo. I love the pink and the gold together. Oh, wow, I have seen these boxes. Oh my gosh. These exploding boxes, and I have no idea how you would make one of these. They seem to be... Ooh. Oh. Wow. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's take this out so that we can look at everything that's... Oh, I love all these die cuts. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this looks like the Oasis. This is a Good Vibes. It's either Oasis or Good Vibes collection. Oh, these little pineapples. Look at how she's got a little pocket here with a ticket inside. You know that I will use like every single thing. Oh, that's so cute. This little pocket here. Friday, which is today that I'm opening this up on. And it's a fun day. Fun day Friday. I will have to include this in my December daily that I received this and put Friday Fun Day on the pocket that shows the gift that I received. There's this beautiful little paper clip and a little tag. This is great. Hashtag mail. Weekend vibes at Flamingo again. My daughter calls them Pinkos with her friend for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, these little dogs are adorable. Again, Friday. That could also go on the page. Well, these are really, really cute. I am going to be doing my next Happy Mail as a Valentine's Day swap. So I believe that some of these items may be able to be used in my up-and-coming swap, which she knows. Paperventures is the one who I believe organized the swap, and it's random. We are giving to someone different than we are we're giving to someone different than we will be receiving from. So that is a really cute exploding box. I'm so excited to see one in person and have a chance to sort of visualize how they are made, see if I can deconstruct that, and it'd be interesting to try to create something along those lines. And then this is another little box that she seems to have created for me. It's like a little envelope box with these beautiful swans. Oh, wow. I have to put this down to be able to open it all up. Sweet stuff. Let's party, hey? Wow. Another... just like the pockets just go on forever. What a great... Wow. I haven't seen anything like this ever. I have never had an exploding box, but I've never even seen something like this. And it's got little pockets as well. Can never have too many enamel dots. I love those. There's some little swans in here and hearts. Oh, I see. She's die cut some hearts for me. She's like punched out some hearts out of different pretty papers. Some washi samples. Little things. And just give me some little tags. Very cute. And there's some more little pieces tucked away here. Week 2. Stickers. Well, that's cute. Look at that. This reminds me of those little boxes we also had when we were children. You know, the ones that you opened up with your fingers and you would count a specific number. I don't even know if I know how to fold this back up again. Okay. Wow. Fun. I'm not sure how you made that. I'll have to, I guess maybe I'll watch on your channel. Quite often she'll post videos of the things that she created, so probably I can find exactly how she made some of these things. So let's start with this wand here. The beautiful deer. Again, enamel dots. That is so cute. And I recognize this little cuckoo clock from Willow Lane, and she's made her own little envelope. She put some stars and some Heidi Shine. Oh, see, I was just saying how I love enamel dots. Can never have too many. Perfectly matched. That's great. I will get good use out of those. Thank you for that. Look at this beautiful decorations. She's used some of the Flourish ephemera with some of the Willow Lane stickers. And I can reuse this envelope later because it is easy to open. Oh, drink coffee and make things. How cute. That's perfect. Because that's what we do as crafters. We make things. That's cute. Wow. This is really pretty. I like how she's done the flower pot and the little bicycle with some pearls. Beautiful. And all with matching colors too. That's great. I really like those. I will get a good use out of those as well. Let's put those together. Super cute. Wow, some carousel. Hello Sunshine. And some Flourish. Oh, some stamps. Hello, from Amy Tangerine. Love feathers. I really like feather stamps. I've seen some cute projects made with them, and I don't have any myself, so that's really cute. I'll get good use out of that. And word stamps are always really useful, and you can easily put a word in there, so great. From Amy Tangerine. Very nice. I'm running out of room to show everything here. This is quite a different stuff I'm hooked on. Alright, is this stuff that you're hooked on? Did she make this? She did too. Inside. It's a mask. That is cute. I will give that a try. Since it's the Christmas break and I'm actually going to have some time once things slow down from Christmas. Oh, this is perfect. I have a planner and I don't have any of these fun little embellishments, so I can use it on that, or of course we can use these all the time in any scrapbooking project as well. Those are really cute with the little flowers and the cacti. And maybe a little succulent there. That's really cute. And she made this little pocket. That is, wow, a double layer pocket. Again, I can't even begin to know how she came up with that. Hopefully she has it on her channel so I can see. Because that is really cute. Look at these little zebra eyelets here. That's fun. Oh, I love these stickers. And again, hearts will come in handy for my Valentine's Day swap. Now I have them in all the colors. I received some of these hearts similar to from Tina, and she said that she just loves these. And now I have some more colors because those are a different gold than the kind of hearts that Rachel has sent to me. So that's beautiful. She's got the doily behind and the swan. I didn't get that ephemera, and it's really, really pretty. This is another ephemera piece I didn't get from the Flourish collection. Look at those paper clips. Adorable. Llamas. Llamas are just so cute. Even the word llama is so cute. journal, because truly you can never have enough little notebooks. And it has polka dots on it for me, so that's just perfect. Oh, and it's blank pages. That's a rare thing to find, actually. You can find a lot of line journals, but to have a journal that has blank pages is a good find. So thank you for that. Put that in there. And then some of these beautiful stickers that I love so much that she used on her packaging. The pineapples and the little flamingos, flip-flops. Bright days ahead. So hopefully we will be having some bright days ahead. We're a little ways off from that now. With our snow, we actually got a fresh snowfall today here in Canada. So that's nice for Christmas to have a new covering of snow. And then here's the beautiful envelope that she did. Happy little moments with some little crinkle paper inside. I can glue this back on. Or actually, I could even leave it off and put it in my December daily. This adorable little fox is so cute. And she used polka dot paper for my envelope. That's really pretty. Well, I just love everything so much, Rachel. I appreciate you. I will link all of her information down below, and so you can see her videos as well as the one that she put everything together. I'm sure she'll be posting that soon. So thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.